So now we are going to add some style to our graph. So let's go again to new Python 3. Now I'm plotting two graphs. Some issue. So I'm going to plot two graphs, and then I am using style function as well. So I want my graph color to be something else like green or blue, or and then I want the line width as well. And so let's see these things one by one, how to make your graph more beautiful. So our first step will be same. First we have to do all the necessary imports. So here I will be importing style as well. So our package is matplotlib for the data visualization. So let's write from matplotlib. Import will bring in, so write import. What first I want to import pyplot. Pyplot is a module that contains collection of functions, and give it, and its name will be given as something like whatever name you want to give. I've given your plt. So using plt, now we will be calling our different functions. Now again I want to import style as well, so let's import that from our package matplotlib. So write from matplotlib import style. Then style dot use, we're calling this use function, pass the arguments ggplot type. Let's define now the variables. So let's take the variable x. Here we are defining a list of x coordinates. So let's take 3x points, 5, 8, 10. Next define another variable. This variable is list containing 3y coordinates. Let's take 4, 8, 9. So I'm going to plot two graphs, so let's define the variables for other graph as well. So let's x2 be another list. Okay, so 3x coordinates here also, 6, 4, 3. Y2 be another variable. Y2 is a list containing 3y coordinates. Okay, now I'm going to plot my graph. So we will use the function plot function and pass the arguments. So let's call the plot function using plt. So plt dot plot function. Okay, here I'm going to pass the arguments. So first x and y variable will be given. Okay, so to list has been passed. Now there are more arguments, like next I want to give the color. I want my graph to be green, so here we will give right here G. This is the color, G as a green. Then I want label as well, so this label will give one heading in the right hand side. You will see it once I will shift and enter it. So label, I want to name here that is Monica. Then I want to pass I want the line width as well. So line width is 4. Okay, so this will generate our graph. This plot function is going to generate the graph, and which will be shown through show function. So let's now plot the another one as well. So using PLT, call the plot function and pass the arguments. So pass the x2, y2, both list, both variables. Okay, coordinates has been passed. Now I want color. So C, if you will write your C, that will give you blue color. Okay, now label. So label, here you can write some another name like Manisha. Then now I want line width. So here this one I want to be 5. So 2 graphs have been plotted here. Now I want to give the title and the name of the x-axis and the name of the y-axis as well. So we will use title function to add title. So call the title function using PLT. So PLT.title, pass the arguments of title. So whatever title you want to depict there, you just I want to be name to be displayed there. So just pass that as argument of title. Then I name some y-axis name. So here I'm gonna write y-axis. Then I want to name the x-axis as well, so use the x label function and give the argument x-axis. So now I want one highlighter there as well, so use the legend function. So this will give one highlight. Now just let's show whatever has been plotted, so use the show function. Now press shift plus enter. So see the graph here. This is my label. This so x-axis, y-axis, and the graph is being plotted here. Okay, now I want grid. So grid in the background, so you can use the grid function here as well. So use it through style. Now I want grid function. So pass the arguments. If you want grid, then 2, and then the next one is color. So color is equal to some k. Now shift plus enter.